Hello guys, I'm Anthony with Definition Insulation. We're getting tons of emails about how does spray foam insulation work. So here's the key to showing you how spray foam insulation works. Now if you walk over here with me in the trailer, we can get you to the two-step process of how spray foam insulation works. So spray foam insulation is a two-part mixture. So what I mean by two-part mixture is you have an A component with a B component. Ran into all these lines right here. So as you squeeze the trigger to the gun, you get the two-part mix as you hit the trigger. That's what gets it to expand. The A is the reactor, the B is the foam. Been getting tons of emails on how does spray foam insulation work. This is really the key behind of how spray foam insulation works. You have two different types of spray foam insulations. You have open and closed cell. They both work totally the same. It's just versus where your climate control, living at, things like that. So this is the closed cell spray foam insulation. What it works best for is for handling moisture control areas. So if you're living, like for instance, in the area of Tahoe, Truckee area, this is more of a better insulation. It's fire retardant, water resistance, but also if you're going to leave it in exposed areas, you also have to spray a special coating so the foam doesn't biodegrade. The reason why customers like using this foam is for various reasons. You can also make it a soundproofer insulation. It's eco-friendly. It reflects heat, natural heat in the air. So say, for instance, if it was hot outside, it'll keep your natural area typically cooler, and in the winter, if it was colder outside, it'll keep your area typically warmer. So yeah, it's just really about how and know where to use it. Also, it's a good insulator for like metal buildings and workshops that you can't get too much insulation, 2x4 bay joists. So this is a perfect insulator to get the correct R value that you need for when to choosing the right insulation for your specific project. So it's pretty much the same thing, but it's not fire retardant or water resistance, but you can make it fire retardant by spraying a special coating on there, and especially if it's going to be exposed to, it helps it from not biodegrading over the years. The most best thing people use this for is more like soundproofing. More you can get dampen the sound. I pretty much describe it as like trying to shoot a high voltage gun through a pillow. It kind of muffles the sound, you know. So if you have like trying to do music workshops, something where it's going to be loud, to control the noise from interacting with certain things, this is the best insulation product to use for that aspect. Normally we use this in climates like where it's not a high demand in moisture control, where you get kind of not natural lighting, to where you don't need a powerful insulator as the closed cell insulation to hold the moisture control. This one's a very great insulator as well. It's just choosing the right insulation for your specific area of where your project is located. Share, subscribe, click the link below. You guys have a good day.